What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So typically I do this on the first of the month, and I thought that I already did it, but I guess I only did a portfolio update on my dividend portfolio. But since a lot of things are down significantly, I might as well go over how much I have in my portfolio. Now, I also haven't made any updates with CRO. I should have an extra 70,000 CRO that's sitting there, but I haven't actually gone through the exact amount. I don't want to put in amounts that I don't have, and I just haven't gone through and done that. And there may be some other things that I haven't updated as well. But we're around the same ballpark. The point is, you're going to see how significant this impact or this drop has been on not only just the market, but also my portfolio. So before we get into this, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my Margex link if you guys want to start leverage trading on Margex, especially while it is getting to these low levels. It just makes sense, right? You're at a low level, 5x leverage could turn your $100 into $500 or $1,000. It's just how things work if you find the lowest level possible or you find around the low areas. You don't have to do a 50x leverage. You can do a 5x leverage if you want to. But feel free to check out my link down below if you guys are interested in trading. Now, my portfolio has definitely come a long way. If we look at all history, we know that it's had its ups and downs. I've been able to grab some cryptocurrency from like a new cryptocurrency that made a decent amount of money, which I pulled out into cash and then put into, maybe CRO or whatever. And then others that I just cashed out and just put into my bank account. But definitely seeing ebbs and flows to the market and ebbs and flows to my crypto balance here. But if we go into my coin market cap portfolio breakdown, this is where things stand. My largest or worst performer is CRO. We're down $15,000. My best performer is still VSG, which is around $30,900. All-time profit is $34,993.94, up 18%. If you don't know, I was up over $100,000 at one point. I was up, 80%. At one point, and it's phenomenal to see the level of growth, but it also is, I don't know, telling exactly how volatile the crypto market truly is. Because if you look at my crypto balance, I'm at $165,724.49, down $14,438 in the last 24 hours. Definitely down a significant amount. I'm not sweating it. I'm not upset about it. I know what I'm invested for. It's not for the short term right here. It's invested for the long term. And I understand of what this is going to be. Now, if you look at my history of where this was, right, starting at, in 85,000, when I did break this down and put it into CoinMarketCap, it was around an $85,000 portfolio. Ended up increasing up to adding more into the portfolio. As you see, I added more very quickly, got up to about 157,000. We obviously saw some levels of growth within the prices. It wasn't just me investing. Some of it might have been, but it wasn't just me investing. It was, we saw the growth, we saw the pullback back down to 150, all the way up to a value of $240,000, almost 250,000. I think it actually got up to 260,000. So 200, $250,000 that it got to. And then you saw this pullback as the market collapsed a little bit down to 170. It increased back up to about 200 plus. And then now you see a decrease again from a level of 210,000 down to 165,000. It hurts to see tens of thousands of dollars that fall off the board, damn near $100,000 from the peak point. Like, that's a lot of money that you could have held on to if you would have just found the peak, sold everything, and then bought back in at this low. But it's not as easy as people make it seem. They're like, oh, I would have sold up there and bought down here. It's not as easy as you make it seem. You give up on so much potential if you are selling at that high point, because now who knows if it's going to absolutely increase for the long term and actually have that massive impact. And if you miss out on that opportunity, you you probably won't invest back into it. Or if you do, you're now losing out on how much you could have gained. Now, let's also go into the positions itself. You can see XRP in the last 24 hours down by 7% or 12% in the last 7 days. You're going to see a lot of things that are down. If you want to see my breakdown of how the crypto market is honestly falling quite a bit, feel free to check out my video, the first video that I did earlier today, which broke down the crypto market and the reasons as to why it is falling. But some of the major wins that I have here, I'm still up 30,000 on Vitalik Smart Gas, which I currently have $578 in there, or 1 million VSG. I have 1 million Jasmine Coin, which is sitting at an $18,322 gain. I have an $18,000 gain on GME, which I have about 2,400 there, or about a million coins there. I have 54 million Terra Luna Classic. I'm up $3,600, $1,000 on XRP, which has come back down significantly to where the current price is around the 53 cent mark. So definitely down a significant amount from where it was at that peak point of 65, and I was at $65,000. Because every cent that this goes up, I gain 1,000. I have 100,000 XRP. When we look at Solana, I have 50 of that, and I'm still up slightly because I invested in at 112, I believe it is, and it's at 138, which honestly might be a good buy-in price. I might have to go and look at leverage trading with that. Shiba Inu, I'm still up a slight bit. Actually, I should be down on that. I don't know why it says that I'm up, but I should be down a slight bit. For some reason, it came in at a different price, and that's not my cost basis. My cost basis should be 0.00002, not that. So definitely should be down. Pepe, I know that I'm up on that, and I'll be up on that for pretty much a very, very long time. I think it's still sitting at multiple billions. As long as it's at $1 billion market cap, I'm up on it. Honestly, as long as it's at a $500 million market cap, I'm up on it. Cardano, I'm slightly up on that. You see all the things that I am down on as well. CRO down significantly. Sync, Lucky's Leprechaun. You see Teller, I'm down a significant amount. Where's the price on that? $60. I'll probably have to buy more of that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some more Teller. Litecoin is at $63. I'm down $2,000 on that, but I know what the future is going to be in Litecoin. It's just currently at a 100, or I have 101, and so on and so forth, right? You see all the different plays. I have Avalanche to where I have 211, and again, I should honestly buy more. I have an average of $28, so this will be an opportunity to get some of these plays at a lower price point, especially since they gave up a year's worth of gains, which is crazy. Same thing that goes for Cosmos. To get down to $5 is an insane level, and it would be amazing to capture some of that. Krillcoin getting back down to 39 cents after being up to $1 plus is crazy again. Anchor as well. Probably want to buy some more of that, sitting at 33,000. So there's definitely some buying opportunities right now, and it opens my eyes to gathering more and lowering my cost basis on some of these plays. Some of them I already have a low cost basis. It doesn't make sense for me to add more into it. But others, yeah, I mean, I have a huge opportunity to buy more outright, like hold more outright. So let me know what you think about my crypto portfolio. Currently, it stands at $165,724.49. Some on Coinbase, some on Coinbase Wallet, some on MetaMask, some elsewhere, and so on and so forth. But the market does look pretty bad right now, and I just want to see some success. Bitcoin still is up at the 60,000 mark, while everything else is kind of getting back to not all-time lows, but taking away a complete year's worth of gains. Let me know what you think about the crypto market and where it stands. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And also, make sure you check out my link for Margex if you guys are interested in trading on there. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.